Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. This iPhone lightning cable from Belkin is a stylish way to charge your phone. So this is a 10-foot charging cable. It is a USB-A to lightning port, and this is a super long cable. It's about 10 feet long, which is exactly what we are looking for. We have a USB port underneath our couch, and we were looking for a really long cable that would allow us to charge our devices while we were on the couch and be able to reach it. So this cable fit the bill for that. It has this nice black fabric, so even though it is a charging cable, it actually looks really nice, and it even has a little cord wrap that's made of leather. It has a nice snap on it, so it helps to keep everything in place, keep you organized, and we were really happy with the durability of this cable. And it's nice because it is definitely really strong. It's made from really nice materials. It is flexible, so it's able to bend even with repeated uses and not break. So we've had it for several years and it's definitely worked out really well. So I would definitely recommend this charging cable from Belkin, and that's my point of view.